Okay, my people, my lovely people. Let me show you something here. I'm doing this on the MPC, and as a sound designer and as a programmer, we can make anything wonderful. We can make anything wonderful, all right? I wish Akai could hire me, and I'll make it a very wonderful machine that computers for making music will come to an end, and people will start going into hardware without any PC, without any door at all to be hardware like that. But it is what it is. Maybe I need to make my own hardware studio in a box. So the sound you're hearing right now, this sound, I sound design this sound in the Akai. This keyboard here you're seeing, I'm just using this keyboard as a controller, and it's a match made in heaven through the USB to the USB at the back of the MPC, which becomes my MIDI, and it's got speakers as well. It's a long story how wonderful this combination is. So the sound, I made the sound, and with your love and for yourself, we lift our voice in love. I know. So this is sound design. I made this sound. Okay, let me show you. But so what I'm doing is that I created this preset so that anytime I want to record, I can just pull this preset up. So that's the Vox. I don't know if I cannot zoom the camera because I'm using the camera to record the whole thing. I've got the Vox. I've got one piano. Is the ambient piano from Hype. Then another piano again from Hype Fantasy Piano 1. But I've tweaked the piano like to the max. I've tweaked it and made it sound nice. And in order to make a beautiful sound, you must have a very good studio speaker, because if you use your normal headphones or speakers, when you design the sound, it will not be very beautiful. You must design the sound as if you are mastering or mixing a song, like as if you're recording or mastering a song and it's going to be released, probably win a Grammy award. You must, that way you are hearing the perfect nuance of what you want to create. And not only that, but that's just one thing too. So that's it. I'm not a very wonderful pianist, but trust me, I'm a musician and a very good one. Trust me on that. But I cannot really improvise like that. More of a guitarist, a bassist, but I can find my way around. So thank you very, very much. This is what Akai is supposed to be, that you can make music with it and you can do things. Doesn't only have to be hip hop or beat driven. I mean, I could make crazy, wonderful beat, but like being able to make melodies and nice sounds like that, very, very important. So Akai, if you're watching this video, please give us all the things we want. Give us ways to see the timeline, no matter what. I can't see it. If I'm playing right now, imagine I recorded something, I cannot see the timeline. The timeline is not anywhere unless I go to the arrange view. And man, I've made video about that. So I love you so much. Peace. Love. Mwah.